Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We have been discussing about the type of nodes in LNet. Today we are going to discuss what are the general configurations that virtually all type of nodes provide us in order to execute it. So let us start with a node. Let us start with Google Sheet nodes. The Google Sheet nodes, the Google Sheet application, if we press upon it, will show us either the triggers. The triggers means the nodes that can start a workflow, or actions. And actions mean the nodes that either can update, delete, or modify any rows, sheets, or operations in that application. So let us start with a update a row in sheet node. So you will see that for all of the nodes, we usually have, first of all, the credential configuration. The credential is significantly important because it lets only the authorized user to interact with complete privacy to their application. So in order to connect with it, your Google Sheet, you need to click on the credentials, and you can either use OAuth authorization or service account authorization. We will be using now OAuth 2 authorization. I will be signing in my account. Yes. The moment I sign in and I give it the create, update, deletion, and addition rights, my account will be automatically connected with N8N. And then comes the magic part, that all of my data of my drive will be showing in this node of Google Sheet. So after the credentials, we will be seeing in all of the nodes the resource configuration. So on what type of file or data you want to interact with. So here we are interacting within a sheet, with a sheet in a document, or either we can interact with a document. So let us interact for now with a sheet in a document. Now what operation does we want to do? So three things virtually every node will allow you. First of all, it will let you add the credentials. Then it will let you select what resource do you want to interact with, and then what operations do you want to do on that resource. So here I want to get the rows, or I can clear the rows, or append the rows, or update the rows, anything I can do. Now here comes the magic part. Google will by itself search for any document that it can find in my Google Drive. So for now my Google Drive is virtually empty. So instead of getting a row, I can change the operation and let it be. First of all, I want to interact with a document, not with a sheet, because there is no document. How can there be a sheet in it? Then I will have to I want to create a sheet there. It will prompt me to get a title. All of this will continue in operations. The title I want is to have my new sheet, and here I am executing the step, and a new sheet has been initiated in my Google account. Okay. Now if I change